welcome back to another episode of Food 411. With me today, I have Susan Steele from our team.
Hey!
Thanks for being here, Susan.
Oh, I'm so excited. Favorite food. So.
I was just gonna ask, do you like macaroni and cheese?
I love macaroni and cheese, so it's a passion.
Would you say you're a connoisseur?
I would say I'm definitely a connoisseur, absolutely. Yeah, it's hard to turn down.
I am happy to have you here with me today. So we're tasting mac and cheese, and today we have C.Berry's mac and cheese with us. We've got 3 rules that we follow for this tasting. The first rule is that you can only have 1 bite, and the second rule is we're having everything delivered by Dave with Metro Dining and Delivery. Another rule is no proteins. So today we're going to be judging consistency of the sauce, cheesiness, flavor, consistency of the noodles, as well as presentation.
Yeah, should we discuss these fortune cookies that came with this? Because I think that's kind of neat.
Yeah, fortune cookie came with our delivery, and I love fortune cookies, so
yeah,
it's a nice touch.
Not a Chinese restaurant, so it is a really fun spin coming from a barbecue joint.
Yeah, I agree. We'll have to read our fortunes later.
Okay.
Okay, all right, we ready to open it up and take a look?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow. Okay, that's
wow.
Disgustingly beautiful. So good.
Look at that. It looks like little crackling fire, like the cheese melted on tap. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It's extremely creamy. I can tell that already just from the sauce sitting there on top of the noodle. It looks really warm still too.
I really like a good creamy mac. That can be, for me, a problem. Sometimes macs are too dry. So this one just, it is saucy and oh God, it looks so good.
Let's get on to the important part.
Okay. Yes.
The tasting.
The tasting, okay.
Oh wow, this looks so good. Oh.
Okay, are we ready?
That sauce
is
really, really, really rich.
It's fantastic.
In a good way.
That is a great mac. The creamy factor's there for me. Like I said, my biggest concern with macs is that sometimes they're just too dry. This is not dry. This is solid. This is solid, creamy, ooey gooey mac, exactly like you want. The flavor really hits for me. It's very flavorful. What do you think?
The flavor's amazing.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's not bland.
Yeah, lots of different cheeses in there. It's not plain by any means.
Yeah, so. I wish I knew what cheeses we were working with. They combine beautifully. It's. If I could make an ideal mac, I think this honestly would be the mac that I would make. It is, the noodle to cheese ratio is perfect. It's almost like there's too much cheese. Not quite, but you're kind of teetering on that, which to me that's perfection.
I would rather have too much than too little, though.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No. It's great. Noodles are great. Not too mushy, not too hard. Just good old noodles. Okay. So yeah,
it's time to score.
All right. On a scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're ready for scoring.
We're
ready to score? Okay, let's do this. Okay, on a serious note.
This is tough. I want to give it a 10. I think 9 though, because if I give it a 10, that would mean it's the best mac and cheese in the world, and I don't want to feel like I've already peaked and found that. Because
that makes sense.
That's, I need to be able to keep searching in my life, and I don't need to be finding it, so.
The great search is Susan's life.
I don't want to have nothing to live for, so I gotta say 9.5 and hope there might be a better mac out there, but God, this has got to be really close to perfection.
I agree. It's really, really good. I'm gonna go in with an 8.5.
Okay.
So if we split the difference, that would be a 9.
A 9, I think that's perfect.
9?
That's
agreed.
Solid.
I agreed.
Yeah.
So on C.Berry's macaroni and cheese, the official score is a 9.0. Oh yeah, fortunes.
You want to do these?
Yeah, we're gonna open our fortunes really quick.
I love that they give you fortune cookies. That's so fun.
It's a nice touch.
What did you get?
I have no fortune.
No!
Oh, you guys, my cookie's empty. Oh, sad face.
Oh my God, how do you have no fortune?
I have no fortune. Oh my God,
well,
what does this mean?
That's not fair. Do you want to share mine with me?
Okay.
Okay, it says someone is speaking well of you. So that's great. How do you have no fortune? I think that means that you get to set your own future.
My own future.
Set your
All
own
right.
future.
Well, sad face, no fortune, but I won't hold it against them. They still get a 9. 9.0 on C.Berry's. Thank you, Susan, for being here today.
Yeah, always a pleasure.
It's been a good time. Good old mac and cheese noodles. And thanks for being with us. Thank you to Dave from Metro Dining and Delivery for helping us out. Thank you. Use Dave for all of your delivery needs here in Lincoln. And we'll see you on the next episode of Food 411. Signing off.